Hello, guys, and welcome to Non-Voice AMCAT live test. So, if you're about to take the Non-Voice AMCAT test and are searching for a video that shows you exactly how this test works, its difficulty level, and how to prepare smartly, then your search ends here. Because in this video, I will guide you step by step to understand the test format and reveal that one major mistake that disqualifies more than 35% of test takers. So stay with me till the end and I will show you exactly how to avoid it and clear the test on your very first attempt. Let's get started. And yes, one last thing before we start. I've completely redesigned the test interface to avoid any copyright issues. Please take a moment to read the full disclaimer in the description box. So this test has only one section called essay writing, but the test is actually divided into two parts. Part 1 is proctoring and part 2 is essay writing. And let me be very honest with you. You'll have to perform well in both parts to pass the test. Now let's talk about proctoring first. So proctoring means monitoring candidates to ensure they follow the guidelines and do not cheat during the assessment. Let me quickly explain you how the entire process works. So basically, this is a recorded test where your laptop's selfie camera will capture the entire session. After you complete the test, an assessor will review it to ensure that you haven't cheated and have completed the test with full integrity. And guys, you'll be surprised to know that approximately 35% of candidates are rejected because they were found compromising the test integrity. And I'll be very honest here. If I wanted, I could have started the live test without explaining anything. But as an interview coach, it is my job to make sure you understand the concepts and know every crucial detail about the test. And guys, proctoring guidelines are so crucial here that it doesn't matter how well you perform in the essay writing section. If you fail proctoring, you'll be disqualified from the test regardless of your score. So without wasting any time, let me quickly explain you the 5 most important test instructions in simple language. Point number 1. Once the MCAT test begins, it can't be paused, restarted, or minimized. Point number 2. You are not allowed to take screenshots, open Google, switch browsers, or use any other app during the test. Number 3. Avoid using any other electronic devices such as mobile phone, tablets, calculator, or any pen, paper, or a book during the test. Point number 4. And guys, this is a crucial one. Your face should be completely visible in the camera and you should have proper lighting in the room. And guys, lastly, avoid mumbling or talking to yourself as it creates the impression that you're reading something from somewhere. Similarly, you're not allowed to talk to anyone and no one should be present in the same room or speaking in the background as all these points falls under proctoring issues. Guys, I'm really happy we covered these crucial points together. So with that confidence, let's move on to our next part, essay writing. So guys, the moment you click here to start the assessment, there is no turning back and your test begins.
This is a written test that measures your ability to express ideas in English on a given topic. You will be given one topic and you need to write a well-structured essay of a maximum of 400 words, which will be evaluated based on content and grammar. You will have a total of 20 minutes to complete the task. Write a detailed essay that includes relevant facts, logical arguments, and suitable examples to support your opinion. Please make sure your response is clear and well punctuated.
Your topic is discuss how social media influences our daily life.
Guys, I just want to stop the recording here to discuss something very, very important. Now, after watching this live test, I'm sure you must have gained a lot of confidence in understanding how the test really works. But let me be very honest with you. The topics given in this assessment aren't very difficult. However, the real challenge is writing 400 words on the given topic. And I'm saying this because of one crucial factor, typing speed. So say, for example, if your typing speed is around 35 words per minute, it can drop to 22 to 25 words when your brain is busy thinking and writing at the same time. And guys, you might be surprised to know that a study shows most people manage to write only 180 to 200 words on random topics if they have average writing skills or limited knowledge of the topic. And that's exactly what makes this assessment a bit tricky. So if you really want to ace this test, I suggest practicing for this test at least 3 to 4 times before taking the live test. But there is a small issue with practicing. There is no specific app or a website where you can actually practice the real test. So I thought of a better solution. So after this video, I will upload another video that will act as a mock test or virtual practice test for non-voice AMCAT assessment. Alright, now let's get back to the test and continue from where we left off. Guys, honestly, I don't want to waste your precious time by making you watch me type for another 10 minutes. Your time is valuable. So let me show you the final essay I wrote for this topic on your screen. If you wish, you can pause the video to read it or take a screenshot to read it later. But here is the interesting part. I wanted to make this video even more informative and helpful. So I took another test just to see if I would get an easy topic again or if the difficulty level would change this time. So the next topic I got was discuss a travel experience that you will always remember. Yep, another easy one. That's exactly why I said earlier that the topics given in this assessment aren't that difficult. Again, I won't make you sit for another 15 minutes to show you how I type. So let me quickly share the final essay right here on your screen. If you wish, you can pause the video to read it or take a screenshot and read it later. Guys, I just wanted to let you know that in this non-voice AMCAT practice test series, I will upload 3 live test videos and 3 practice test videos to help you practice like a pro. And guys, I need a small favor from you. Your little effort can make a big difference for many candidates and help them clear their test. Now, here's what I want you to do. So during your AMCAT test, you'll be given one random topic to write an essay on. So once you complete your test, I would really appreciate if you could please come back to my channel and share the essay topic you received by listing them in the comment section. Candidates usually check the comment section for additional help or information. And here's the best part. If they find the latest and current topics in the comments, it will really help them prepare for the exact topics. And trust me guys, your small act of kindness could make all the difference for someone else. So don't forget to leave a comment. And someone who's currently watching this video, don't forget to check the comments for the latest essay topics. They might be exactly what you need for your AMCAT preparation. And guys, finally, if you've learned even one good thing from this video today, then do give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will show me that you appreciated my hard work. I thank you for giving me your valuable time. Please take care of yourself. Bye-bye now.